Okay, you're gonna hear Bluey on in the background, so it's okay. Just got this, so excited. It's actually black NutriMill. She's so pretty. So I currently have, let me grab it. This is the one for the KitchenAid. There's an off-brand one. This is the actual KitchenAid one. It does fine if you're just starting or you want to try. Like, it's an inexpensive, still 130, 140 bucks, but less expensive than this one, or the one that I'm really waiting for. It's back ordered until March or May, I can't remember. It's been updated. So that one is the Como XL. So I'll do a comparison on those. But I was able to get my hands on this one. It's gonna be a lot faster than my other one. That one takes so long. And I'm really worried about, now that we're selling flour, wearing out my KitchenAid. I don't wanna do that because I did overheat it. I milled some and then I made bread and it overheated. So wasn't great, but finish opening this. Let me get it out. Really well packaged, so that's nice. All right, how do I get it out of here now? Okay, so this is the NutriMill Harvest. I'm sure you've seen a lot if you've done any kind of research on home, fresh milled flour. So with the grain, it comes out. It's supposed to be super fast. You're supposed to be able to adjust the fineness setting. So there was a card. I just lost it. There you go. There are stones in here, and then you put rice through to clean them, but this honestly should be a lot faster and a lot more fine. And it's not gonna ruin my KitchenAid.